Five little ducklings by the riverside wiggled their tails and took a glide. Splash, splash, through the blue. Then back came four singing quack-doo-doo. Four little ducklings under the sun, chasing bright bubbles, having lots of fun. Splash, splash, through the blue. Then back came three singing quack-doo-doo. Three little ducklings near a willow tree, paddling together as happy as can be. Splash, splash, through the blue. Then back came two singing quack-doo-doo. Two little ducklings floating by the shore, playing water games and asking for more. Splash, splash, through the blue. Then back came one singing quack-doo-doo. One little duckling on a bright blue day danced on a lily pad and twirled away. Splash, splash, through the blue. No little duckling singing quack-doo-doo. Mama Duck called, "Come along, my crew." Across the sparkling river her loving voice flew. Wiggle, wiggle, here they come, running home in the golden sun. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 come through. Five little ducklings shouting quack-doo-doo, quack-doo-doo. We're together, me and you. Five little ducklings by the riverside, safe with Mama by their side. Wave goodbye and smile anew. See you soon with a quack-doo-doo.